Reverberation. The repeated reflection that results in this persistence of sound is called reverberation. A reverberation is perceived when the reflected sound wave reaches your ear in less than 0.1 second after the original sound wave. For example, a sound created in a big hall will persist by repeated reflection from the walls until it is reduced to a value where it is no longer audible. Let's now solve a problem. A person shouts near a cliff and hears the echo after 5 seconds. What is the distance of the cliff from the person if the speed of the sound v is taken as 300 meters second raised to the power minus 1? Given that the speed of sound v is 300 meter second raised to the power minus 1. Time taken for hearing the echo t is 5 seconds. Distance travelled by the sound is equal to v into t, which is equal to 300 meter second raised to the power minus 1 into 5 seconds is equal to 1500 meters. In 5 seconds, sound has to travel twice the distance between the cliff and the person. Hence, the distance between the cliff and the person is 1500 meters by 2, that is 750 meters.